Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a summer cola recipe. It's healthy wheat drink. It's very rich in dietary fiber and protein. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and also click the bell icon to get notifications for the videos that I'm posting. So let's see how this healthy and creamy drink is made. All you need is half cup of wheat. I have soaked it for 4 hours, milk 1 cup, 2 cardamom and 1/3 cup of sugar. To a blender, add the soaked and washed wheat grains. You can do this in batches so that it doesn't load your grinder. You can add little or no water and grind it so that you get the maximum milk out of it. This is how much milk I have got from my first batch. So I am pouring it in the strainer, and with the help of a spoon, I am straining the milk from it. Soaking the wheat in water for more hours will make this process easy for you. Once again, I have taken the grinded and strained wheat residues and poured in a little more water, and again I had extracted some more milk from it. This way you can maximum utilize those wheat grains. On a low flame, cook the extracted wheat milk until it thickens and the rose smell disappears. This will take some time, but it's worth the wait. The milk is getting thicker now. You can add 2 tablespoons of water to finely cook the wheat. Make sure that there are no rose smells, and also once it's cooked, it will leave the sides of the pan. The milk is properly cooked now. Now you can switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Once this is cooled down, you can add 1 cup of milk to it and refrigerate it for 2 hours. After the refrigeration, the mixture has become really thick. Now you can add 1/3 cup of sugar to it. You can also use condensed milk instead of sugar. Now add in the powdered cardamom. Instead of cardamom, you can use vanilla essence, and blend it on high speed until you get a thick and creamy texture. So a thick and creamy and healthy wheat drink is ready to be served. It's not just easy and tasty, it is very healthy as well. So let's beat the heat in a healthy way. Please do try out this thick and creamy milkshake at your home and leave in your feedback in the comment box. The ingredients I have mentioned here is for 4 such tall glasses, so you can adjust as per your requirement. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space for more updates.